In this guide, I will give you some fixes for EA app game is already running issue. 1. Clear EA's app cache. Open the EA app and click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner to access the menu. Select Help and then choose App Recovery. Click on Clear Cache and allow the EA app to restart automatically. Log in with your credentials again and check if the issue persists. If not, 2. Perform a clean boot. Open the Start menu and type msconfig in the search bar and press Enter in the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab and check the box for Hide all Microsoft services and then click on Disable all. Go to the Startup tab and open Task Manager. Disable startup programs by right-clicking on each of one selecting Disable. Return to the System Configuration window and click Apply, and then OK. Restart your computer and check if the issue with the EA app persists. If not, enable services and startup programs one by one to identify the culprit. 3. Reinstall the EA app. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar, and press Enter to navigate to Programs, and then uninstall a program. Right-click on the EA app and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process, and after uninstalling the EA app, visit the official EA website and download the latest version of the app. And that's it, guys. I hope this fixes your game launcher. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.